In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Jira with GitHub in just a few minutes. Integrating these platforms streamlines your workflow by linking project management with version control, so you can track issues and monitor code changes seamlessly. Start by logging into your Jira account and navigating to the Your Work page. Select the project you want to integrate and go to Project Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Toolchain, which is where Jira manages integrations with other development tools. Look for GitHub for Jira and click it. Then hit Get It Now to start the integration. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may prompt you to log in or authenticate your GitHub account. Once authenticated, your Jira project will be connected to GitHub repositories, enabling you to link Jira issues with commits, branches, and pull requests. This integration improves collaboration and transparency, letting developers see which code corresponds to which Jira issue, while stakeholders can track progress more easily. And that's it. Your Jira and GitHub accounts are now connected, helping your team stay productive and coordinated.